The Fascinating World of Insects. Part 1. Insects are the most diverse group of animals on Earth, with over 1 million known species. They have 3-part bodies, 6 legs, and usually 1 or 2 pairs of wings. Found in nearly every environment, insects play vital roles in pollination, decomposition, and as part of the food chain. Despite their small size, they greatly influence ecosystems and human life. 1. Sandflies. Sandflies are tiny, hairy insects known for their painful bites and role in spreading diseases like leishmaniasis. They thrive in warm, humid environments. Despite their size, they are persistent nighttime nuisances. 2. Ants. Ants are social insects that live in large colonies and display remarkable teamwork and organization. Found worldwide, they play crucial ecological roles such as soil aeration and decomposition. Some species are known for painful stings or farming fungus. 3. Millipedes. Millipedes are slow-moving arthropods with 2 pairs of legs per body segment. They feed mainly on decaying plant material and help recycle nutrients in the ecosystem. Unlike centipedes, they are not venomous. 4. Midges. Midges are small, fly-like insects, often seen in swarms near water bodies. While many are harmless, some species, like biting midges or no-see-ums, are bloodsuckers. They are important food sources for fish and birds. 5. Aphids. Aphids are small, soft-bodied insects that suck sap from plants, often causing damage and spreading viruses. They reproduce rapidly and are a major agricultural pest. Some species are farmed by ants for their honeydew. 6. Bugworms. Bugworms are caterpillar-like larvae that build protective silk cases covered with leaves or twigs. They feed on trees and shrubs, sometimes causing significant defoliation. Their camouflaged bags make them hard to spot. 7. Mayflies. Mayflies are delicate insects with short lifespans, often just hours as adults. They are important indicators of water quality and a vital food source for fish. Their synchronized mass emergences are a natural spectacle. 8. Praying mantises. Praying mantises are predatory insects known for their prayer-like forelegs and swift hunting skills. They feed on a variety of insects and are beneficial in gardens. Their camouflage makes them expert ambushers. 9. Bedbugs. Bedbugs are small, flat insects that feed on human blood, usually at night. They hide in mattresses, furniture, and cracks during the day. Though not disease carriers, their bites can cause itching and stress. 10. Bees. Bees are essential pollinators that help in the reproduction of flowering plants and crops. They live in colonies and produce honey and wax. Their decline poses serious threats to ecosystems and agriculture. 11. Lice. Lice are tiny, wingless parasites that live on the skin and hair of mammals, including humans. They feed on blood and can cause itching and discomfort. Head lice are particularly common among school-aged children. 12. Leeches. Leeches are segmented worms known for their blood-sucking habits, although many are harmless scavengers. Found in freshwater, they have been used in medicine for centuries. Their saliva contains anticoagulants to keep blood flowing. 13. Beetles. Beetles are the largest group of insects, with diverse shapes and colors. They occupy nearly every habitat and serve roles ranging from decomposers to pollinators. Their hard outer wings protect their delicate flying wings underneath. 14. Black widow. The black widow spider is notorious for its venomous bite and shiny black body with a red hourglass marking. Found in dark, undisturbed places, its bite can be serious but is rarely fatal. Females are more dangerous than males. 15. Ladybirds. Ladybirds, or ladybugs, are small, round beetles often red or yellow with black spots. They are beneficial insects, feeding on aphids and other plant pests. Their bright colors warn predators of their unpleasant taste. 16. House dust mites. House dust mites are microscopic creatures that thrive in warm, humid homes. They feed on dead skin flakes and can trigger allergies and asthma. Though invisible to the naked eye, they are found in bedding and upholstery. 17. Blowflies. Blowflies are metallic colored flies known for their role in decomposition. They are among the first to arrive at dead animals, aiding forensic investigations. Their larvae, or maggots, are sometimes used in wound cleaning therapy. 18. The boll weevil. The boll weevil is a small beetle infamous for devastating cotton crops in the southern US during the 20th century. It feeds on cotton buds and flowers. Intensive control programs have mostly eradicated it from US farms. 19. Horseflies. Horseflies are large, fast-flying insects known for their painful bites. Females feed on blood to develop eggs, while males drink nectar. They are strong flyers and persistent pests near livestock and humans. 20. Hornet. Hornets are large, aggressive wasps with powerful stings. They build paper-like nests and can be defensive if disturbed. Some species, like the Asian giant hornet, are feared for their painful venom. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. G. Sobhanadri Rao.